St. Simons Island has great beaches, lots of history, fun restaurants, and a great place to shop. Let's explore. The island has about 12,000 residents and lots of interesting stores. There are lots of crafts by local artists. And St. Simons Sweets is home to some of the best chocolate and confections in all of Georgia. They make it all in-house. Let's explore. Just video, okay? So do they have all kinds of different stores here, or what's going on? And what's this thing here? Is this cotton candy, or what is it?
No, it's a giant thumbs-on lollipop.
I didn't know they're so large. Let's get one of these.
Jim, do you remember these?
I do. Awesome. Okay, what do we got here? Is it a flamingo?
Yeah, it's a flamingo.
Really nice. Families love this place. Okay, so ice cream. Money can't buy happiness, but can buy ice cream. And that's kind of the same thing, actually. So they got Cookie Monster, Samoa, a lot of other goodies. Wow. Granny Smith's Apple Corner. What are those? Peanuts. God, my mother used to love caramel apples. Look at the one with the pecans. Amazing. Hand dip. Can I ask you a dumb question? Do you guys make this stuff yourself, or do you have other locations, or?
We make all of this in-house. The only thing that we don't
Yeah.
we don't make all this candy.
Really?
But,
Yeah, because it's perfection in terms of how it looks. That's your stick. And this is the only location you got? Or do you have a couple
as
of
of right now, yes, but we're like in the process of
getting a location
another
someplace?
location in
Okay,
process.
great.
But like, this sweet order and the Buckeye sweet order.
Sure.
But like everything else we make here. The owner actually has another business. She makes like all the decorative art, like the decorative.
Oh, and he sells those other places and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh,
But it's
interesting.
all upstairs.
Oh, they make it here. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. You know, this is the only location they make all this stuff themselves. Here?
How cute.
Yeah, but look at this fudge, honey.
Key lime fudge.
Yeah. Very nice. This place is awesome. Where's the Lighthouse? Oh, look at it. Okay. Some books. This guy used to be a famous author. You've read him before? Oh, the Howard Castle? You gonna go in there and smell all the old books?
I could smell them. They smell good.
Really? Oh god, this place smells great. Oh, Jim, you gotta smell some books. And that's the Golden Visitor Centers. Gorgeous view of the Pier here. And no visit is complete without a walk in the park and looking at the historic lighthouse. And look at this great looking community pool in front of the lighthouse. Decent beaches here too. What an impressive looking pier.
Purchase your tickets to go on.
How much is it?
I don't know.
St. Simons has a rich history. I agree. And look at all these mini doghouse stores and boutiques. I love the pastel colors. Southern Soul Barbecue is a popular tradition in St. Simons. This place looks pretty casual and formal. This place is packed and crawling with people. We don't have a lot of time yet, but they said this is world-class Food Network quality barbecue. Do they have air conditioning too? And these people look happy. The dog looks a little hot now. Lots of different sauces. I wonder if we can find some veg. So what's going on the menu?
Nothing. I'm not going to eat anything. You could eat if you want to get.
Okay, but
oh wait, there is a salad.
Yeah, well, the prices are good there. It's your family style as well.
But that's like they'll just bring you a big platter of that, like a pound of it.
Sure.
What are you going to get?
I don't know. Are we eating here or we're not eating
I
here?
don't know. It's up to you.
What's a barbecue then? A barbecued Cuban sandwich? Okay, so the classics would be plate up. You get 2 sides, beef brisket, smoked chicken, southern sampler. Let's go and take a look at the okay. Excuse me, can I just see what's going on in the bar? See what's going on in the bar?
Great, typically good drinking, great. Hey there, y'all.
Howdy. So what do
You
you
know
think?
what? I don't like the smell in here.
You don't like the smell here?
No.
So we're not eating here?
No, let's just
Okay.
go. It's okay, but
Look at that tray of food she's got though. Decided not to wait for Southern Soul. We went to Zaxby's and the food was excellent. You enjoyed your tour of St. Simons Island, and remember to subscribe to the Tidy Island CPA channel.